Pick I could borrow? Thanks. Ladies and gentlemen, let me just say one thing. It was about a year and a half or almost 2 years ago that me and one friend of mine decided we were going to make a short film about the recording console at Sound City. We thought, well, let's make a little YouTube clip, like a 10-minute thing, where we can tell the history of the board. And it blossomed into a beautiful movie. And tonight, when I got here and I saw that the Sound City players fucking shut down Hollywood Boulevard, never in my life have I imagined that I would achieve something as cool as this. So thank you all very much for coming out tonight. You made my fucking life. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. God bless you and God bless Sound City. Here it comes, RT!